Across India, millions depend on diesel generators to keep the lights on. But every start of a generator adds invisible toxins to the air we breathe. Tiny particles and gases that harm lungs, hearts, and futures. In many cities, diesel generators contribute a significant share of particulate pollution, pushing crowded urban skies closer to a dangerous threshold. Welcome to Platino, where innovation meets environmental responsibility. As a forward-thinking and customer-centric organization, we are deeply entrenched in the industry, known for our groundbreaking RECD and unparalleled service. Our commitment is to provide sustainable solutions that comply with regulatory standards and significantly reduce real-world emissions. At Platino, a simple question drives every design. Can power be clean? The answer is the Retrofit Emission Control device, the RECD, a compact, rust-proof unit engineered with advanced catalytic technology and thermal insulation designed to cut particulate matter, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides in a single retrofit. Certified by leading test agencies and built to perform for years, Platino's RECD is made to endure Indian conditions while delivering dramatic emission cuts without replacing existing generators. Platino has grown into state-of-the-art facilities, with a manufacturing capacity serving a wide range of generator sizes and a service network that reaches across India.
Hello, my name is Anand Gopalkrishnan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Platino Automotive. So we manufacture RECD right from 25 kVA up to 10 megawatt. About 1000 kVA, we have named this as racks. Our device controls all three parameters, PM, HC and CO. PM to the level of 80 to 90%, HC and CO above 80%. So we have a better control. Our panel board gives you the exact results, and we are the only company in India which we have tested our NOx. We have approvals for that also.
Today, thousands of Platino devices operate across the country, in factories, offices, data centers, hospitals, and media houses, trusted by leading brands and OEMs committed to responsible power. The world does not have to choose between power and clean air. With every Platino retrofit, the present is transformed and the future reimagined.